pertaining judiciary independence. So we'd like to hear from you. What do you suggest the NJC should do to say that the judiciary are comfortable in the discharge of their duties?
Well, they've done the first step in ensuring that an act was passed to increase the salary of judicial officers, and also to take over and charge their salaries and emoluments to the consolidated revenues of the Federation, because before now, NJC paid their salary while their pensions were paid by the state, and many states were owing retired judicial officers. So these are right steps in the right direction. I talked about many things. Also ensure that there's independence of the judiciary. So also take steps to ensure that judges who by their actions or judge decisions betray the independence of the judiciary by ensuring that they can be in any way influenced and should face disciplinary action and appropriate judicial sanctions meted out to them. And also the NJC should embark on advocacy together with the Bar Association and other major stakeholders to ensure that they propose the amendment to the Constitution, which seeks to take away the issue of appointment of judicial officers from at the state level and invest it in the Judicial Service Committee of States, Commission of States, and the governor should be removed, because this will be abused. It was abused in 1979, which gave rise to the NJC in the 1999 Constitution, and I don't think we should go back there until our democracy has grown to a point where the governors and major persons can be trusted not to disrupt the workings of our Constitution. And that's why I gave the example of the local government system, which even though there's a guarantee of a democratic system of government at local government level, the governors have not allowed it to work. I will feel that the same way they have, with high-handedness, handle the issue of local government and the conduct of election into local government, they will also taint the judiciary. If the power to appoint and discipline and dismiss them is vested in state government, it will be abused, and judges could be removed for no reason. And also appointments may become an issue of political patronage or cronyism, and we don't need that.
Okay, so of recent time there has been issues of conflicting court judgment. What do you have to say in that?
Well, all I can say without making reference to any particular judgment is that one thing lawyers and litigants should expect from the court is certainty of their decision, going by earlier decided cases or by the provisions of the law, and that the confidence of the public is eroded when decisions by the same court with similar facts are decided differently. People go away believing that something wrong and has gone wrong, either that the judge is incompetent, or the judge has taken a bribe, or the judge has in one way or the other been influenced in the light of glaring judicial precedent binding on the case to decide differently. So people go away believing that the judgments are not in accordance with the law. And the courts have a duty to ensure that there is that certainty by eliminating conflicting decisions. And judges who know that there are cases that are binding on them or reasons why they should not decide in a particular one they decide should be seen out of the bench, either on grounds that they may have taken bribe or that they do not have sufficient legal knowledge to continue to preside that. Maybe if you cannot prove corruption, then you hinge on their incompetence, their inability to decide in accordance with the law, especially when those cases are obviously available to them and cited, and they decide wrongly and stand the law on its head.
Hey there, this is the Mirror TV. Here we offer you news on both local and international happenings. We bring you politics, religion, socio-cultural events, project work, live documentaries, documentation to your doorstep. Why don't you follow us on our YouTube channel, The Mirror TV, or you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or at The Mirror TV. You can as well contact us on 081 6546 The Mirror TV. Time to be with the best.